Hi everyone, my name is Bailey. I work for the Canadian Mental Health Association Manitoba and Winnipeg office, and I'm also part of the Thrival Kit team. And you may have heard of Thrival Kits in your classrooms. Maybe you're here because your teacher sent you my way to talk about our weekly lesson online. If you've just stumbled upon this video, welcome. I'm happy to have you here too. Thrival Kits are a project that's implemented in grades 4 to 6 classrooms in Manitoba, and what it strives to do is to promote good mental health to the students that are partaking in it. So with this weekly lesson, what I want you to do is rock your strengths, talents, and gifts, literally with rocks. So the first thing you'll need to do is gather your family. This is a great family activity. So gather your family, go outside and go rock hunting for a bit. Try and find rocks that are big enough that you can write on, that you could decorate. The bigger the better. The rocks that I found are still quite small, but I made do with what I could find. And once you've gathered up your rocks, you're gonna go home and decorate them. I used paint. You can use however many means you want to decorate the rocks. And once you're done painting them or however you've decorated them, you're gonna pick one word that describes a strength, a talent, or a gift that you have. Try and engage your family in this discussion too. If you're having a hard time identifying those things, ask them what are some of the things that they notice in you. Strengths, talents, and gifts are what make you unique and special. So identifying those is a great way to boost your self-esteem and make you feel really good about yourself. So that's pretty much it for me. This is actually the last virtual lesson of our project. So wow, time has gone by so fast. Thank you for all of you who have engaged in all of these lessons. It's been very fun making them. And I would love to see the rocks that you've come up with. So if you want to post them on social media, you can tag us in hashtag Thrival Kits. Or if you have any questions about Thrival Kits, feel free to shoot us an email at info@thrivalkits.ca. So with that in mind, I hope everyone is staying well and healthy, and we'll see you as soon as we can. Bye.